Hello everyone, and welcome to this Mavin video on attribute view, where I'm going to talk about how to perform SQL searches or SQL searches as well as simple searches, and in addition how to use multi-select on the attribute table and on the map itself, as well as how to use select by location and download selected. So first off, you're going to want to be in your Maps tab, and you can either go to Map View from clicking on the map itself and then Map View in the top right hand corner, or click on View right from the map card. From there, you're going to want to choose a layer that you want to perform these functions on or view the attribute table of. So in this example, we're looking at a map of the 2008 presidential election results, so the statistics around the votes of that election. And so we're going to look at a layer for the statistics of the presidential election regarding the Republican votes and go to View Attributes from that menu. As soon as we bring open the attribute table, which is in the bottom left-hand corner, we can see that there's another menu icon, and if we click on that, we're going to see all the different options that we have. So we have simple searches, SQL, full screen, and select by location. And I just want to show you that recently we added these same capabilities from full screen. So if you click on full screen, in the top right-hand corner, there's another menu icon where if you click on that, you can perform simple searches, SQLs, and download selected. You can't do select by location because you need to have the map open while you do that. So in addition, while I have this open, I want to talk about our newly added ability to multi-select on the table. So if I want, I can click on one of the features and hold down Shift, and if I click wherever I want to end that row at, it will select everything in between those. Or if I just wanted to select a couple of specific features, I can hold Control and click on those features specifically, and I can filter if I want to just select it to show those. And if I close the attribute table, you can see that they're still selected, and on the map itself they're highlighted in light blue. So moving on from there, I'm going to show you guys what simple searches look like. It's pretty easy. The columns means the field that you want to search within. So if I want to search within say the number of votes, then I would scroll down to find the statistic for that, which is, in this case there's a lot, but it's Pres 08R for Republican. And then if I wanted to find a specific state, because I knew that someone had gotten 1,500 votes, I can type that in, execute that, and then there would be one that showed up if there was that one in the case. So in terms of SQL searches, if we click on that, there's going to be a pop-up that opens up with a manual SQL editor and an SQL wizard. Manual SQL can be turned off for specific maps in the map editor under options. We can see that my current search from the simple search is still in there, so you can see what that looks like in a manual SQL search, and you can see what it looks like in the wizard. I'm going to take that off because it didn't work anyway, and show you what it looks like to add a new search from this wizard. So you can click Add New Condition, or you can click Add New Group if you want to add multiple groups. And we're going to say, let's look for all the states that have more than 500 votes for Republicans. We can get rid of that other group because we're not going to use it. Click Execute. And then we can see that in our table, all of those have been selected. And on our map, we can see where they're selected. If we're interested in viewing them easier, we can obviously go to full screen, make sure it's filtered, and check out all those different results. So next, I want to show you what select by location looks like. Select by location is really easy to perform. All you have to do is draw a polygon around the areas you want to include, and it doesn't actually have to encapsulate all the areas. Rather, if it touches a single part of that feature, then that feature entirely will be included in the selection. So you can see that I selected all those features, and you can see in my attribute table that those features are shown because I filtered it. And in addition, if you wanted to download those, you can go to Download Selected. And those features will only be downloaded, not the entire layer, and those will be downloaded as a GeoJSON. And I just want to make you guys sure that you know that in addition, if you want to download features that have been selected in other ways, such as through simple searches or SQL searches, you can do that, and when they're selected on the map, you can just go to Download Selected, and all of those will be downloaded as well. So you can perform Download Selected on features that were selected outside of just using Select by Location. And that's it. Thanks for listening.